this slide, we talk. Remember, this is, we talk here. Yeah. Instead, the only thing that this specification of depth was doing is telling to report these values for each of the coefficients. You don't have to go and do it by hand because you will have to first calculate it as a complex sample using proc survey and go back and calculate it using proc mean and then compare the variance, the standard error or the variance to get this estimate. But the program can actually tell you that if you include the specification of reporting these values. He will always report these values for you. It's internally doing the comparison for you and tell you how much is your standard error was increased by using the complex sample.
So the mean is the mean corrected by the depth or not corrected?
Yeah. The way to get this value we saw it was the variance of the complex sample divided by the variance on the simple random sample. The way to get an estimate of this manually will be, I'm doing the mean using proc mean, and I get the estimate of the variance. That will be my variance on the simple random sampling. I go back and use proc survey mean to calculate the estimate and the variance. That will be my variance on the complex sample. When I divided these two, the variance on the complex sample by the variance of simple random sampling, I will get this value. But there is a way in the software you can, when you're using proc survey mean, you can ask him to report this value. He will automatically report the value for you. You don't have to do it manually.
And what is DEFT?
DEFT this is how much the variance is inflating. This is the square root of this is this value is, since the standard error is the square root of the variance, this is the square root of this, and this is how much the standard error is inflated. Okay.
So if I calculate the real standard error down to minus, that's 1.39 from 0.5.
Yeah, if you use in standard error, you use this. If you use invariance, you use this. That. Okay. Any more question? Next time we will talk about confirmatory factor analysis. That will be a little bit closer to what you guys are doing in the class, since you know about factor analysis and cluster analysis. That will be a little bit closer.
The question I was asking was if I want to calculate the real standard error running to minus or divided the 1.39 from the
Yeah,
complex
if we have,
sample
okay,
standard error.
we have what you use in this square, the variance.
Multiply.
This is the value that was reported.
Yeah.
Then if you want this, it will be this.
I didn't know that, so now I don't have to.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
see. Just now I forgot the equation.
Yes.